Good morning, boys and girls. This is a part 2 of the Panasonic radio cassette recorder, and I have determined that it's the on and off switch that's knackered. So I'm going to take the on off switch out, and I'm going to strip the switch and try and repair it if possible. It doesn't matter whether I do or not because the switch is knackered, so there's a very little chance of me obtaining a replacement, so I may as well have a go. See if it works, see if it doesn't. Right, I will let you know how it gets on. Right for now, folks. Right, boys and girls, there's the switch. Freshly extracted. I'm going to now attempt to take this switch apart and effect a repair. And this can either work one or two ways. It can either work or it can go tits up. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated. Bye for now. Bye for now, folks. Right, we're back, boys and girls, and we're playing, we're working. The radio is now working. I've managed to successfully repair the switch. That's on, that's off, and that's on, and that's off. Now if I can remember where my cassette tape was, I can just try the cassette recorder. And I'm pretty confident the cassette recorder is going to work. Right, let's get the cassette out of here, pop that into there and press play, and our cassette player recorder is playing as well. Right. Time to put it all together now, ladies and gentlemen, and job done nearly. Be back soon. Right, we're all back together again. We're all assembled, and let's test everything. We'll start with the tape. I mean, the cassette deck was working to begin with, but we'll try it. There we go. That's the cassette deck working. It does record. It plays and fast forwards. The microphone works. I've checked that. Right, let's go for the radio. We'll go for AM, medium wave.
Early too, so you're eating tomatoes by late June, early July.
I think I picked up an American station there. Even though I was an American on an English station. Tomatoes.
Wait, no, I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay, total dud.
Young people, perhaps, that are travelling.
Right, that's medium wave. Let's go for long wave. I don't expect to pick much up on long wave. There isn't really much to choose from on here.
She'd been helping Berliners to smuggle themselves to freedom in the West.
We're getting radio 4.
6 years after the Berlin Wall came down, Angelika worked as an artist in the vibrant German.
Right, pull the aerial up and Oh, that's got a fairly long aerial. Go for FM.
The reality of the situation is that when I saw
That howling you can hear, and I don't mean that opera singer, that howling you can hear occasionally is my computer television monitor. It interferes with it.
Hands are blocking your view, but it does suggest strength and confidence.
Not really.
It's the word win and answer to 655.
At the sunset, babe. Got up 30.
And that's it. That's all for now, boys and girls. That's another success. I'm going to call that. I'm very pleased. I can even jiggle that switch, and it won't go off. It don't crackle or anything. And I've had that switch out, had it apart, and repaired it, and put it back together, and soldered it back in. It cost me nothing to actually take the switch out, because the switch was bad anyway, so it cost me nothing to just find out whether I could repair the switch, and I've succeeded. So sometimes it pays to try and take a part out, something like a switch, to take it apart and try and repair the switch if possible, and put it back in and see if it works. In this case it did. So I mean, there's not really any value in this radio cassette. It'd probably make a good workshop radio. You know, I could stick it in here and have it just have it as a workshop radio, but whatever I do with it, yes, I can say it works, and I've repaired it. It's done. And the cassette, let's turn the cassette over. They didn't have auto reverse back then. I presume this is from the late 70s, early 80s.
Just listen and you will plainly see. And as life travels on,
I'm not going to turn the volume too high because I've got a neighbour upstairs, so obviously I've just noticed one thing about the layout on this cassette recorder. They don't give you a pause key. How about that? You don't get a pause key. Got everything else. I mean, they give you a stop and an eject key on two separate keys. Why can't they give you a pause key? You know, or some people might call them buttons. Why can't they give you one for pause? Don't understand that. Anyway, folks, that's all for now until I come across something else that needs my attention, and I'll get this uploaded for you. Happy viewing, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.